Hello! So today we're going back to budget meals because, as you're aware, I quit my job and I'm now kind of have a job, but it's not got many hours, some money, but yeah, anyway. Cheap food, yay! Parathas, Leo's specifically, Leo's mango pickle parathas. Now, you get this giant tub of pickle at a local Middle Eastern supermarket for $1.99. So this is going to go a long way, and it's got a strong flavour, so you don't need to use a whole lot of it. Leo is using here 8 pieces, so it comes in like chunks, and it's basically big chunks of mango, so it would be like green mango as opposed to the big fruity one. So you will see chunks, and as you can see there, that is like the stone that's in the middle. So what you want to do is you want to take a few of these chunks out. As I say, Leo's used 8 here. Take them out. Go through them very finely with a knife, but before that, go through them very finely and get rid of those stones so that you don't screw up your knife. You do not want chunks of stone in your paratha, so be careful. So when you chop it up finely, that's going to kind of go through it again for you. Then, once you've got it all minced, put it in a bowl and add in 2 cups of wholemeal chapati flour. Now, this is your chance again to check for stones while you mix it by hand, because then you can kind of feel out any hard lumps in it. So this is an optional part because it is chutney and it's quite salty already. You can add in a little bit of salt if you want to, but be careful because you don't want it to be kind of overbearingly salty. I think Leo's just used like a little pinch here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add water. Now, this is one of these times where you're not going to get a specific measurement because it depends how much pickle you've used. And, you know, all of these kind of posh baking terms. Just put in a little bit of water at a time and keep mixing until you have a kind of stiff, little bit sticky dough. You'll see that as Leo gets to it. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to make that dough and you're just going to leave it to sit for a minute while you get everything else sorted. Now, the difference between this and a chapati is that it's going to be folded and it's going to have layers of oil put in between it. So you're going to kind of get this flaky bread instead of just like a flatbread. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of flour and you're going to roll out kind of like you would if you're making a chapati, just this kind of like disc. What you can do is take a little bit of oil from the chutney. Now you can use butter, you can use, I say butter, you know, inverted commas that you can't see because I'm talking, butter, or you can use oil. But the thing is, we've got loads of mustard oil in this chutney, so we might as well use it rather than wasting it. Again, budget in mind. So you take a little bit out of the tub, rub it on half of the disc, fold it in half, put a little bit more on like the remaining kind of quarter, fold it in half again. So you have got what started as a circle, half moon, and then a quarter of a circle. You're then going to roll it out again just to make it a little bit thinner. And then you're going to chuck it on your hot pan. So here we do have a chapati pan because we find it makes a world of a difference because it's really, really hot. But you can just use a frying pan. Put it on there for like 30 seconds, flip it 30 seconds. I've put a little bit of butter on it. So this is the Vitalite because I like the flavour of it. Or we also use Pure sometimes. A little dot of that. Flip it again, you're going to get loads of steam. It's going to start like getting all bubbly and lovely and golden. Flip it again, you're going to get even more bubbly goodness, and then put it on a tray, on a plate, and cover it in a kitchen towel until you are ready to use it. And it is as simple as that. That is how you make pickle paratha. You can use any pickle you like, so go out, have an adventure with it, enjoy, and yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you again next time.